High in the western Ghats of Kerala lies a land where clouds kiss the hills, and tea leaves dance with the breeze. Welcome to Munnar, the emerald crown of South India. Nature paints here with bold strokes. Lush valleys, serene lakes, gushing waterfalls, and mist-covered peaks like Anamudi, the tallest in South India. But Munnar is more than just scenery. But behind this scenic beauty lies a fascinating and complex history. One shaped by ancient tribes, colonial ambition, and global trade.